Hey guys, it's Clayton, the marketing manager here at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and we wanted to put together a little video for you guys of just some of our staff members saying what they're thankful for as Thanksgiving's coming up. This is going to be the last newsletter you get before the holiday, so we wanted to take this chance a little early and just kind of express some of our gratitudes. And yeah, we hope you guys have a happy, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving. If you want to, further down in this email that you've gotten this video from, you can get some links to some of our upcoming events, like our Wellness Matters, which is about achieving hyper wellness, and that's actually this Thursday at 6 p.m. So if you're not already registered, make sure that you do so. And we've also got some other exciting events coming up, one in December, which is Frosty Fest, our holiday festival. We'd love to see you there, so make sure you're registered, you're looking at everything. And even further down in the email, we've got some really great information. We got a cool blog post about stress and how it affects your long-term health. And yeah, we're just so thankful for everything. The thing I'm thankful for is you guys, actually. The fact that we have such wonderful patients and that we can put out a newsletter like this one and people will read it and let us know how much they enjoy getting to know us better, getting to know these kinds of subjects that we like to talk about, and coming to the events that we work so hard to put together. So thank you guys so much, and here goes the rest of the staff.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kirsten here from Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. You know, as we come to the end of a very long, strenuous 2020, we're realizing what we're thankful for. One of the things I especially appreciate is having a support group around me between the staff here I work with, my friends, and my boyfriend, because mental health is a huge game changer for me. I've struggled with it in the past, and I have come a long way in just a year. And I'm still making improvements, but I am supremely happy that I know these people that help me out, and that's one thing that I'm appreciative, especially in the crazy filthy year that we've had. Alright, bye for now.
Hi guys, my name's Andrea, and one thing I'm thankful for this year is Patrick, the Director of Medical Services here. He just taught me a lot, and I'm really excited to keep learning from him. Thanks, Patrick.
Hi guys, I'm Jan. There are so many things I'm thankful for. I really can't pick one. So I'm very thankful for even you guys as well as the physicians and the co-workers here. They're like awesome. So thank you, and thank them as well.
Hi, how are you all? This is Leah, and I just want to say that I'm thankful for my little miniature Schnauzner. He gives me unconditional love every day, and I love him to bits.
Short and sweet.
Hi, this is Jones. Hello to all of y'all and happy holidays. I am thankful for the opportunity to come to Florida and to work with all of you and this wonderful crew at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And I appreciate everything that you all have afforded me to do to help take care of you. Happy holidays.